Hello, this is a part 13 in our login bonuses series at the Traffic Stop channel here on YouTube. There was a recent, you might not have heard about it because it didn't seem to affect a lot of the bigger sites, but a lot of smaller sites got hacked recently. And this is one of the sites that got hacked. Plenty of viral mailers actually got hacked. And some of them lost their databases, including the user database. So some of these you'll have to join again. If you happen to have joined this one before, then you need to join again at smellerplus.com. Now, link in the description here. If you go down, it just shows you that the promo code is WELCOME. So join and then use WELCOME as the promo code. You can get even 5 login ads. For this type of script, if you get a login ad, it's going to go a whole day. There might be others with it. There'll be as many as 2 or 3 login ads, but it'll be there at least a whole day or a certain period of time. But you also get 5,000 email credits. This is very good for a new site. So that's 5,000 credits are going to last a good while. Could last quite a while. You could also just mail for the life of the program. If you upgrade in a program like this, it has an auto email, which I will show you. So I already have an account, so I'll log in. Now it skipped the login ads, but this is the login bonus series. You will get login ads. Because I already had logged in today, it didn't show it, but once you log in, you just wait and let the timers run down and it'll say next ad, or if it's the last login ad, it'll say dashboard, and then you click dashboard up here. So if you see a countdown, let it count down. Those will be your login ads for Ads Miller Plus. But again, because I already did it today, and I got 2 or 3 of them, then what happened was it went ahead and skipped that part because they don't want to show it again and again to the same person on the same day. Now, I got 925,000 credits because I'm upgraded in this one. Ultimate Lifetime. Just got upgraded in this one. If you do upgrade in this one, you can go to Mailer and Auto Emails. Okay. Create auto email, then you just create your email and it'll send out every day automatically, so you don't even have to log in. So this is like hands-free traffic if you're upgraded and have auto emails, which is found in the mailer menu. Otherwise, you can click email drafts and create an email draft, or just go straight to email to send email. Then you can do that. Now, daily limit is 1. If it's a free account, it's 20 because I'm upgraded. I got Ultimate Lifetime. But I usually just let my auto email take care of itself. If it's some new program or something I want to promote, then I can come in and I can do an extra email because I'm upgraded. Click voucher to do the welcome promo code. Enter voucher code. You see I did it already. I did it yesterday. Welcome, and it doesn't say how much I got, but I did get the 5,000 emails, 5,000 banners, 5,000 text ads, 5 login ads. Okay, so text ads, you can enter banner ads, you can pay to click ads. I don't think they had any for the welcome promo code, but login ads they did, so I could create a login ad. all the ones for May are gone. So June, you got to do it a little bit ahead. Or what I like to do is at the beginning of the month, it all opens up. But right now they do have it available for June. But on some sites, you'd want to come out in the first of the month. You'd want to come in and get your login ads. I got time, so I'm not going to do it right now. I got plenty of time. I know I'm very active, so I'll have plenty of time, plenty of months to do login ads. But remember, voucher and enter welcome here. And then your login ads, when you log in, you'll see them. Just let the timers run down. Don't skip them. Let them run down, and you'll get your. In that case, a lot of times you won't even have to. I mean, for the longest time, you won't even have to click that many ads in this one. Although if you have a free account, it might say click 5 ads to send or something like that. Otherwise, that 5,000 email credits that you get to start out is plenty enough to mail for a long time, actually. So that's it for this part 12. Is it part 12 or 13? For this part 13, I think it is now. And the login bonus here. There's quite a few sites that give you login bonuses. So that's why I keep giving you more. So if I find more, I'll give you more. Otherwise, I'll just find a promo code and I'll give you more free traffic and more videos with these free promo codes. And then this, like in this one, I have login bonuses, but I also have that promo code. So I have both in this one. So see you in the next one.